All right, guys, check this one out. This is a 8 top, 8 bottom teeth, custom fitted grill set. Plain, no stones. It's a very popular style. Beautiful, handmade for a perfect fit, guys. Show you the back side. So this fits like a glove, guys. Right over your natural teeth, snaps right on. This one's gold plated over solid, 925 sterling silver. All right. Top and bottom set, guys. You can do a top, you can do a bottom, you can do a set. That's up to you. Check that out. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, y'all have a good one.